Welcome back to the LusoCAD for Beginners course by Structural Academy. In this video we will dive into the circle tool in LusoCAD, with examples for each function of the command. First, we can access the circle command by typing the letter C in the model view or by going into the draw ribbon and selecting it. As we can see, the circle tool offers us 7 different ways to use the command. These are all differentiated by the values we want to input and the relation between the created circle and surrounding objects. For the first 3 variations, we will create 3 circles with the same dimensions, so we can see the difference in the process of the command rather than the output of the shape. First one is center, radius. As you can expect, this tool will create a circle by choosing a center point in the model view, and then inputting a radius value. We click on the center point and input the radius. Let's go with 10. Press Enter. Here we have previously measured the radius using dim linear, so you can picture the dimensions. The second circle is center and diameter, which behaves in the same way but asks for a diameter instead of a radius. Since the diameter is double the radius, we input 20. Next, the concentric tool will allow us to choose a center point and then create subsequent concentric circles by specifying multiple radius values. Let's go with 5, 10, and 15, which results in 3 circles. As we can see, all 3 circles, including the concentric circle with a radius of 10, have the same dimensions, but they were created in totally different ways. Now we enter the second section of the circle command, which asks us for points that serve as endpoints of the diameter of the circle. In other words, the points will be touching the circle diameter. These are divided in 2 points and 3 points. Both prompt us to select the points first, without selecting a center point. So if we want to perfectly fit a circle between these 2 lines, we click each end of the lines and the command will automatically draw the circle. In the next example, we want to draw a circle that touches all 3 corners of these rectangles. So we click each corner. The circle was correctly drawn. Finally, the third section is concerned with tangents, which are defined as a line that touches the circle at exactly 1 point, but never enters the circle's interior. LusoCAD asks us to select the tangents and input the diameter. With these values, it will create the circle automatically. We can draw circles using 2 tangents, as well as 3 tangents. And just like that, we are finished with the circle command. Don't forget to keep watching, as there are many tools that we have not yet explained in LusoCAD.